there, Bloomers and friends. It's Rev Kev coming to you from the church office. And as you can see from the group behind me here, we're actually in Wednesday night Bloom Bible Bites from 6:30 to 7:45 every Wednesday night. And you can also see here, maybe Russ will pan a little bit around, but that we've got folks here not only from the valley, you know, as the hardy folks from the summer, but there are snowbirds here as well, and we have them from Massachusetts and Minnesota and Maine. We only and Montana. We only allow snowbirds from states that begin with M at Bible Bites. We welcome all so long as their state starts with M. And no, but we will allow other states, so we'll get working on that. The thing that I want to offer is Bible Bites is a good time, as you can see, with good folks. We have good treats when folks bring them, hint, hint. And that is a part of it. That's the bites part of Bible Bites. That we have things that we can share. We used to have supper together, and now we meet a little bit later and meet here in the office, so it's snack time at Bible Bites. We're in the process of just finishing up the book of Daniel, which is one of the Old Testament books, and one of the reasons that we wanted to do that was that Daniel, in my opinion, my humble opinion, is one of the most misused books of the Bible. Because many people use it to try to predict the future. And you'll find that all over the internet. If you go and look up the book of Daniel on the internet, you will find a bunch of preposterous stuff. But we're reading it for the story and finding out exactly what's happening in the story. And folks here tonight are going to look back a little bit about what we remember from that story, but also know how we can use that in our own life and what the story is. So one of the things, we'll be starting a new book, actually probably within the next couple of weeks. So if you're interested in joining all the fun, is it fun? Yeah. Yes. All the fun at Bible Bites, then you can come join us on Wednesday nights here at the church office at 6:30. Every Wednesday night, unless we have an open leadership team meeting, and the wonderful thing about that is they start at the same time. So, or do they? Yes. Anyway, no matter what, there's something happening on Wednesday night at the Bloom office. So join us then. Hope you can be with us on Sunday. It's Communion Sunday this week. We're looking forward to honoring Chinese New Year. So we'll have a wonderful hospitality time with authentic Chinese treats, as well as Elaine Wong Meyerhofer and her father are going to present a poem opening, and there's going to be some special music, so we're very much looking forward to that as well. We hope you can be with us. If you can't be with us in person, please be with us in spirit, and as always, do keep us in your prayers.